Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AppWiz. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to view Hotmail password on iPhone to get it started. Let's open Setting app. It is so easy to view your password on iPhone, you need to. Simply go to your setting here, scroll down until you find password. So here it is. Tap on it. And now enter your password. And then here, click on Security Recommendation. So here, scroll down. So here, you can see your Outlook.com. So tap on it in order to view your password. If you tap on the password, then you will be able to see your Outlook password. So in this way, you can view your password on Hotmail, as you all know that Hotmail is updated into Outlook. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.